Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for being here. Here is our new video. Our today's video is indoor and the outdoor bench placement material and its benefits. As you all know that benches are a great addition to any outdoor and the indoor spaces. Not only do they provide a functional seating solution, but they can also enhance the overall aesthetic of a space. When considering where to place a bench and what material to choose, there are a few important factors to take into account. When it comes to indoor bench placement, there are a few options for consider. One popular option is to place a bench in an entryway or the favor. This provides a convenient spot or for people to sit down and remove their shoes, store their belongings. Another option is to place a bench in a hallway living room to provide additional seating. The material of the bench is also important consideration for indoor and outdoor placement. Wooden benches are a classical choice, and they can add a warmth and the character to a space. Upholstered bench often has a softer seating. An option can provide a pop of color for texture to the room. Metal and the plastic bench can offer modern and a minimalist look, and they are easy to clean. One benefit of outdoor benches is that they are not subject to the same weather condition as outdoor benches, which means they last longer and require less maintenance. Outdoor benches are a popular feature in parks, gardens, and other outdoor spaces. When it comes to the outdoor bench placement, it is important to consider the natural surrounding and the existing structure of the features. A bench placed near water feature in the garden can provide a peaceful spot for reflection and relaxation. A bench placed among the walking path in the park can offer a place of rest, enjoy, and scenery. When choosing material of an outdoor bench, it is important to consider durability and weather resistance. Wooden bench can be beautiful and natural looking, but they require regular maintenance to prevent from wrapping, insect infection. Metal benches are durable and resistant to the weather. They can become hot in the sun and uncomfortable to sit on. Plastic benches are lightweight and easy to clean, but they may not offer the same aesthetic appeal as other material that given. The metal benches are durable and resist weather, but they can become hot in the sun. One benefit of benches is that they can be a great way to encourage people to spend time outdoors and enjoy nature. They can also provide a sense of community and offer a place for people to gather and socialize. In conclusion, when considering bench placement and material, it's important to take into account the intended use, the aesthetic of space, and the durability and the maintenance requirement of the metal. Indoor benches can offer a functional and aesthetic addition to a home or offer, while outdoor benches can provide a way to enjoy nature and the socialization with other. Rather the intended use, there is a bench and the material that can fit the need. The benefits of bench placement and the material demand on a specific context and the intended of the use, but some general benefits can be identified. Benches provide a practical seating solution that can be accommodate multiple people and offer a comfortable spot to rest in. Depending on the material and the design, bench can enhance the visual appearance of the space and create a welcoming atmosphere. Benches can be placed in areas that may otherwise be unused, such as narrow hallway, the corner of the room, to make the most valuable space. Outdoor benches, in particular, can create a sense of community and offer a place of people to gather, socialize, and enjoy the outdoor spaces. Bench can encourage the people to spend more time outdoor. Each has been linked to the numerous physical and the mental health benefits, including reduced stress levels and imposed mood. Depending upon the material, bench can be a durable and a long-lasting seating option, which can save money and reduce waste over the time, and it also reduces your carbon footprint. Overall, benches offer a range of benefits depending upon their placement, and the material can be valuable addition to both indoor and the outdoor spaces. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching my video. Thanks for being here. So please do subscribe our YouTube channel for more interesting video. Thank you so much, and keep supporting our channel.